Matterport is essential to my business. Matterport has actually helped me get listings and meet potential sellers that I didn't even know were viewing my properties. And I had an experience just recently where one of the people who I ended up listing his property, he saw the work that Matterport, that VHT Matterport did, professional photographs and Matterport tour on a listing nearby him, contacted me immediately, and we spoke, and I listed his property. And after he had gone through lots of other realtors, and he had not been satisfied, he chose to work with me, and we closed the deal within 3 or 4 months. Not an easy deal. It was difficult for many reasons, but what drew him to me initially was the photography that he viewed that was taken through VHT Matterport. And I've come to rely on VHT Matterport to take photos, Matterport tours, floor plans for all of my listings, listings for sale. And now I manage many properties, and so I've spoken with many of the owners of these properties and impressed upon them the importance of great photography, Matterport tours, and especially because of the COVID situation, and it's essential to have a Matterport tour now, if possible, for rental listings, especially in Hoboken and in this area.